Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create discount codes for products in Stripe. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, open your web browser and go to stripe.com. After that, sign into your account. Now that you're in the dashboard, look for the product catalog section, which is where all your Stripe products are organized and managed. Click on Product Catalog, and once you're inside, navigate to the Coupons area. This is where all discount codes are created and stored. Once you're in the coupon section, click on the Create Coupon button to start building your new offer. Now it's time to customize your discount code. Start by entering a name for your coupon. After naming your coupon, you'll select the type of discount you want to offer. Stripe gives you options such as a percentage discount or a fixed amount off. Next, set the duration for your discount. Decide whether you want the coupon to be valid for a limited time or available indefinitely. Once the duration is set, you'll configure the redemption limits. This determines how many times the coupon can be used and whether it applies to new customers, returning customers, or both. After reviewing all your settings, click on the Create Coupon button. Your discount code is now live and ready to be shared with your audience. And that's it. So that is how you can create discount codes for products in Stripe. So that's all for this video. Thanks.